Well, hello, it's Shonnie. Welcome back to my channel. I am in Henry County in the city of McDonough, touring a beautiful home. It's a JR Homes community, and this home behind me is the Barnhart. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,797 square foot home. It is massive and it's beautiful on the inside. So we're going to go inside and see what all the fuss is about. But before we do that, I want to remind you to stay tuned to the end of this video because I want to share with you some things that the builder is offering to incentivize this purchase, okay? Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Well, I certainly hope you're enjoying the tour of this lovely home. It was at one point JR Homes' model home, the Barnhart. And as you can see, it's in move-in condition. And right now, JR Homes is closing out this particular community, the Registry. And so what that means is they're offering a great incentive for you buyers out there. Yes, they're offering $10,000 buyer bonus. So that means it's going to lower your cost to close. Absolutely, it's terrific. So go ahead and get in contact with me. Call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Find me on Instagram. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share this video. I would really appreciate it. Contact me. Let's talk soon. Let's get you into this home right away. Take care and we'll see you soon.